almost done for. Bombers were shot down before they crossed their target.
Keep breaking up!
Communication array destroyed. Let's clear the air of enemy fighters before we attack the heart of the ship.
You've been hit!
Their ship has a key structural flaw. If we destroy their control tower, the blast doors will open and the reactor will be exposed. Cruiser destroyed.
Direct hit! Hold up!
Someone call for a Jedi Knight? We've got these guys!
Pro Dameron here! Give me a target!
If that control tower goes down, we'll have a clear shot at their reactor.
Oh yeah!
Let the Force guide my hand. That was a bad one. We're about to fall apart. I can sense it.
Only one cruiser remains. Concentrate your attack on the control tower.
They are too many for me, but defeat them, you shall.
Shake this guy!
close to winning this.
Our bombers have arrived. Help them complete their attack.
Systems command, you're looking likely.
Our bombers have completed their attack line. Shields are back online. Get out of there. The blast doors are closed in seconds. We need to hit the control tower again.
Ship destroyed. The ship's been hit. They don't stand a chance. Get it done. You need some action advice. On the cross. I'm out. Taking fire. Only a few finishing touches needed. Ship's breaking up.
Blast doors are opening. Get in there and hit the reactor before they restore shields.
We should protect those bombers. Good luck. We have the advantage. Weed 'em out. Back in there, son.
Shields online. Get clear quick. The blast doors are closing. Target the control tower.
Breaking up.
Trust the Force. The Force is my ally.
Looks like we're winning.
numbers are starting to thin. Wrap this up fast or we'll need to withdraw.
Down by the town.
Got a clear shot at the reactor. Get in there, quick, before the shields are back up.
Stop them from firing on our bombers. They're taking damage. Ship's in trouble. We can still do this. I'm losing it.
We've met our match. Retreat while we still can.